Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am Jessica from UPDF. Today we're diving into 27 hidden tips and tricks to make your experience with UPDF even smoother and faster. If you're already using UPDF, or maybe you're just getting started, then these cool features will help to enhance your experience. Before we jump in, make sure to download UPDF using the link in the description box below so you can follow along as we explain the tips. Now, let's get started. When you are checking the details of a PDF by zooming in a lot, you can hold the space key and your cursor will turn into a hand that will let you drag the page wherever you want. It's a very quick way to move around the page. Do you want to zoom in and out of your PDF without the toolbar? Hold Ctrl or Command if you're using a Mac and scroll using your mouse wheel. If you're using a trackpad, just pinch it with 2 fingers. This is super handy for both reading and editing. Are you using a Mac? You can double-click the left mouse button anywhere on the PDF to instantly add a comment. It's a fast way to drop thoughts or notes without needing to select any tools first. If you're adding lots of comments, here's a good hack to use. Double-click one of the comment icons, for example the highlight icon, and this will lock it in place. This means that you can keep adding comments without going back to the toolbar to select the icon again. This is an absolute time saver if you're reviewing a long document. If you need to add frequent comments continuously, you can also go to File, Preferences, Comments, and then check Keep the Comments tool selected. So whenever you click to select the option in the comment section, you can use the feature continuously. To draw squares and circles in UPDF, you can hold the Shift key. This is great when you're trying to create professional diagrams or markups without worrying about wonky shapes. For Mac users, here's another tip. When highlighting text, hold Shift to highlight the text area or even image areas. This is perfect for annotating large sections at once. In editing mode, you can press Ctrl and A or Command and A on Mac to select all of the objects on the page. This trick helps when you need to move or adjust everything all at once. Right-click anywhere in UPDF and you'll get a bunch of extra options depending on where you are. Want to rotate a page? Right-click. Need to copy text or add notes to a highlighted section? Right-click. When you quickly jump to one specific page by entering the page number or clicking the bookmark name, you can have the option to go back to the previous page quickly. For instance, here I'm on page 1 and I enter page 7 to jump to that page. Then there is an option to jump back to page 1. By clicking it, I can jump back to page 1 directly. When reading a magazine, you might need to read most pages in a 2-page view mode and then the front cover using a single-page view mode. You can read like this using UPDF. Just open the magazine, right-click on one page, select Page Display, then check 2-page view and show the cover page in 2-page view. Now you can conveniently read the magazine. If you're working with international documents, then UPDF has got you covered. When you add headers or footers, you can pick from 12 different languages to customize your format, whether it's dates, numbers, or symbols. When converting PDFs in UPDF, you have 3 layout options. 1. Retain flowing text. This allows you to have easy-to-edit Word documents that prioritize text flow over exact layout. 2. Retain page layout, which mirrors the original PDF structure but may lock in text boxes, making it harder to edit. And 3. Exact reconstruction, which preserves the PDF's design perfectly but offers limited editing flexibility. These options allow you to balance between maintaining the document's visible integrity whilst choosing the flexibility of the editing options. UPDF's OCR mode offers 3 modes: text and pictures only, which strips away complex layouts for a simpler editable text document; text over page image, which overlays selectable, searchable text over the original image; and text under page image, where the scanned image remains unchanged but text is searchable in the background. These options give you control over whether you prioritize document appearance or functionality depending on your needs. Do you want to protect your document from edits? Then why don't you turn it into an image-only PDF? Head over to Recognize Text using OCR and select the Image-Only PDF option to make your file non-editable. UPDF AI lets you translate any selected text within a PDF document. Set your preferred language once and the AI will remember it for next time. It's perfect for international documents or multilingual projects. Windows users, did you know that UPDF integrates with File Explorer? You can preview PDFs right from your file browser without even opening the app. To turn this on, go to File, Preferences, and check the box to use UPDF as your preview tool. Now you can go to File Explorer and preview it with zoom in and zoom out and jump to pages with UPDF. Do you need to extract specific pages from your document? Simply open your PDF, go to the thumbnail view, then drag and drop the pages you want to extract onto your desktop. Or you can go to Organize Pages, then select the pages, drag and drop them to desktop in order to extract them. This tip is super quick and easy for splitting your PDFs. For those who scan books or double-sided documents, UPDF's Interleaving Insertion lets you merge separate odd and even pages to create a properly ordered PDF. Just open one file, go to Organize Pages, Insert, Interleaving Insertion, and select the other file and combine them into one PDF in the correct order. In many cases, you might want to add titled watermarks in order to protect your documents. Many PDF tools do not have this feature, but it has recently been added to UPDF. Just open the PDF using UPDF and go to Page Tools, Watermark, Add your watermark. For example, I'm entering UPDF in the text section, and then select one option in Add Titled Watermark. Then click Save to add your titled watermarks to your PDF successfully. Instead of navigating through menus to add images to your PDF, just drag and drop images directly into your PDF when you're in edit mode. It's fast, intuitive, and great for adding images to your document on the fly. Okay, so here's a cool one for Mac users. Did you know that you can drag and drop rich text directly into your documents? This is super handy if you've got styled text like links or formatted text that you want to keep intact. Just open UPDF in Edit PDF mode, then find your rich text from a website or wherever you're taking it from. Now, simply highlight it, drag it over to your PDF and drop it. Et voila! Everything from links to bold text gets preserved perfectly, making it a quick and easy way to add formatted content to your PDF. UPDF lets you save all of your synced signatures across all of your devices. Sign a document on your desktop and the signature will be ready on your tablet or mobile device too. This is perfect for remote working or collaborating across devices. Just open a PDF in UPDF and go to Comments, then click Signature to create your signature. Then click Signature again, tap the cloud icon and upload it to your UPDF Cloud. Now log in using any device and your signature will be there. It's a quick and seamless process. UPDF AI makes extracting text from images effortless. Simply open UPDF, then drag any file in order to open it in UPDF. To access the UPDF AI feature, go to UPDF AI and then Chat. Select Add Image to upload the image or Screenshot to highlight the area to screenshot. Or you can even copy and paste the image to the chat box to add it. Then type your prompt, which is Extract Text, and the AI will extract the text instantly for you to copy. When merging PDFs, UPDF sets file names as bookmarks automatically. Go to Batch PDFs, Combine, add your files, merge them, and boom. Open the merged PDF, click Bookmarks, and you'll see each file name listed as bookmarks for easy navigation. Splitting with bookmarks is super simple, and the good thing is that it will set bookmarks as file names directly. Go to Organize Pages, Split, and then split by top-level bookmarks. UPDF automatically sets your bookmarks as file names when you split, making organization a breeze with one easy click. If you edit your PDF using UPDF Cloud, then it will sync the changes across all of your devices. To do this, open your PDF in UPDF Cloud, make edits, and hit Ctrl+S in order to save. Open the same PDF on any device logged into UPDF Cloud and your edits are there, synced and ready to go. When it comes to comparing PDFs, accuracy is everything, right? So here's what you need to do. Head over to PDF Tools, click Compare Files, and pick the PDFs that you want to compare. And make sure you check those boxes to ignore text attributes like font size and to ignore spaces. This way you're only focusing on the real content changes. And that's it! 27 hidden tips and tricks to help you enjoy UPDF with more efficiency. Whether you're editing, annotating, or just reading PDFs, these tips will help to level up your workflow. Make sure to download UPDF if you haven't already so you can try out all of these tips. If you found this video useful, give us a thumbs up or leave us a comment in the comments box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.